Right. I have to free up some space kasi yung dalawang memory card ko parang nano na siya.
Hi!
I think sometimes I would forgot that it's on record. So yun, it used up 2 of my memory cards. And ayan, parang talagang bahay dito. Well, by the way, I'm cooking pasta again for these 2. Spaghetti na naman, yung favorite nila. Walang sawang spaghetti meal. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have. I have hot dogs and that, maybe that will do. Anyway, cooking in this view is amazing. It's day 2 of our stay here. Buhay pa rin ang power station. Ayan. Rise and shine. 3rd day here. So I will be buying fish again. There's some fresh catch.
Balik sa kilo.
Pila man na, boss? Pila na, boss?
180.
Lumayagan or squid. Adobo. Squid adobo. For breakfast, guys. And they're sleeping. Still sleeping. So, dinas ulit kami kagabi. That's your view. So, after breakfast, I'm gonna lie here hours. I woke up early again. So it was 6 a.m. when I woke up, so I'm kind of sleepy again. Another sponsor outfit by PK Jewelries. Diba, nice. Pero nakaka-momshi talaga siya. It's nice, pretty, and it's shorts. This is baby cream. Lunch, guys. Trash. Dok, get the trash, Dok. Get the trash. Sino ba yung nag-ano dyan? Tapon. If I ever throw that away. And also that one, oh. There's a bottle of water. Pick it up. Nice and easy. Going home na.